What's going on, everyone? It's Maximus Trades back with another video. Today I'll be going over how I made $60 trading the Asia session with my paper trading account. So yeah, it is paper trading, but it's just something I've been practicing. So here you go. You can see $60. You see the arrows right here. This is around 8 p.m. So before I get into the actual trade, I want to talk about this account. So this account has been something I've had for ever since around February. So right now it's March. So it's been around a little over a month of me paper trading this account. Journaled all the trades in this document over here. It's been pretty good ups and downs, but essentially this is just me practicing my new Asia model, which I went over in my last video. If you guys want to check that out on paper trading before I get into live and the funded accounts, which will probably be around the summer, so a couple months from now after school ends, I'll lock in and get those funded evals going with with hopefully this model as well as my New York model. So basically, this trade going to the day, I was targeting this unfilled 4-hour bearish rally gaps, looking for longs up until that point. I saw we were kind of stuck in this 1 hour level of liquidity, so I knew that was going to be like my bias range was from here to this 4-hour gap, and I knew most likely I would be taking my profits at this 1 hour rally gap. Going on the smaller time frames, didn't really see much. So going to this trade, I just literally saw on the 1 minute time frame, we had this massive leg up here, initially over here. So this leg up from here to here, and I saw, okay, like we made this we have this bullish for rally gap here. We have a lot of bullish for rally gaps here, so I'm gonna wait till we come back down, retest. So at this point, it's like right here. So let me wait to come back down, get positive displacement off this bullish rally gap, which we got over here. I just entered. We entered with a safe stop loss, and we just targeted this recent high. Or I was actually gonna target more to like this top high, but what I saw was actually an SMT form. So we can see we closed above this high on Nasdaq, but on the S&P 500, we did not close above this high. Right? You're below this high on the S&P, so like that's probably why that's exactly why I did not keep holding my trade. I just fully exited there, and as you can see, I top ticked it, so it's pretty smart. Also, something to point out on the 1 minute time frame, you can see these lows being swept. And on the S&P, we saw a 1 minute SMT here, right? So this low did not take out this low, but on the Nasdaq it did. It's probably easier to see on the 5 minute, maybe. Yes, see, we closed below this. Wait, no, I don't think it's a 1 minute SMT. So that 1 minute SMT also kind of gave me that incentive that like we're gonna go up and at least take out on the leading index, which is Nasdaq. We're gonna go up. We're gonna come up at least. We're gonna take out this high over here. So that's what gave me that incentive. Like, so that 1 minute bullish for rally gap, positive displacement, and that 1 minute SMT targeting using my discretion knowledge, targeting this 1 hour for rally gap and my bias range. It's exactly why I entered this trade, and that's exactly how I won the trade. So overall, really clean trade, simple, quick, easy, near perfect. I just think if I had more confirmation, it'd be better. But it was good managing at the top here. We saw the SMT, identified the threat, exited early, which turned out to be the right move, and that just comes with discretion and market experience. But overall, really good trade. Break even, I went around here. So I went break even. Let me just mark it out right here at this internal high. We're at basically at the close of this candle, and yeah, slash TP right after. So overall, good trade, good win. I'm gonna continuously record and post these videos like journaling my trades on this paper trading account until I get to those evals and funded or live accounts, and then from there I'll kind of update you guys, and we'll see about that. But overall, good trade, good start to journaling this Asia, and we'll see. Hopefully tomorrow we can rinse and repeat. That's enough for today, and that's Max Trades out.